How you doing, everyone? My name is Dwayne Crawford, also known as Mr. Why Cry Over Money? Why? Because money won't cry over you, and you know it won't. Listen, I just want to hop on here, and I want to share some information that I feel that everyone should know and everyone should understand. I don't care who you are, you should understand it. I don't care if you're rich, you should understand this. I don't care if you're poor, you should understand this information. This is information that everyone is dealing with. All right. I don't care who you are. Listen, also, if you like what I share, comment, share it with other people, because this is information that everyone needs. And if you feel the same, share it with people, because again, we'll share other things, but this is information that everyone needs to know and understand. But guess what? I like to have fun for anyone who knows me. So let me show you a cartoon that will better explain what I'm about to talk about. All right, give me a second. So here's the cartoon. It says here, you salary, why are you not growing? All your friends are now grown up. Ask yourself this question. Currently it's 2019. All right, it's 2019. Did your salary go up in 2019? Or are you getting the exact same salary that you got in 2018? See, if you got the exact same, if you're getting the exact same salary that you got in 2018, guess what? That salary is actually worth less in 2019. Because of what? Inflation. The price of goods and services going up. And that's what this cartoon is talking about. In this cartoon, you got your salary. Your salary is staying the same. It's not going up every year. But they say inflation is going up every year, about 4%. So if inflation is going up, meaning, look, fuel, food, and rent is going up, and your salary is staying the same, which means that your money is worth less and less every year. I want you to think about that now. Think about this also. If I told you your salary is going up 4% a year, and just say you got a 2% raise, are you still behind? Yes. This a year, so every year, they're saying inflation is going up. So, and you get a 2%, you still behind. Because look, your friends, meaning these guys, are going up. We get in the cartoon, it depicts fuel, food, and rent. Is daycare going up? Mm-hmm. Is healthcare going up? Mm-hmm. Is medication going up? Mm-hmm. Everything around us is going up. So if things are going up and our income is staying the same, guess what? It's worth less and less. See, that's very important. I want to ask you, how many times have you asked yourself or said to yourself, look, I haven't changed anything. I'm still making the exact same amount of money. I'm still spending the same, but I have less money. That's inflation. Because you already said that your pay is staying the same, or maybe it went up a little bit, but it really, it maybe went up a little bit, but again, everything else is going up around you, is going up around you, so now you have less money. That's your money leaving you, and you don't know it. Another great example of inflation, and this one a lot of people deal with this, and they don't even understand it. The bank account. Typically, a bank account will give you 0.05% on the money that you have in there. And I said inflation goes up 4%. And your money is sitting in a bank account at 0.05, then guess what? You're losing money. Now, the bank is making money. The bank is definitely making money because they're going to take your money and loan it out to someone else for 4, 12. I mean, look at a typical credit card, it's 21%. That's on a bank. Okay, they're making money off of you now. So just understand that. But again, that's inflation though. So your money has to outpace inflation, or at least keep up with it. But most people's money is not keeping up with inflation. And think about that now. Most people are working very hard for their money, and they don't have much to show for it because everything around them is going up. everything around you is going up. So again, if everything else around you is going up and your paycheck income is staying the same, then you're behind. It's not that you're doing anything wrong. It's just that we have to have our money positioning itself where it outpaces inflation. That's one thing. That's only one thing. There's other things that is keeping your money from growing, keeping you working a job, also known as a rat race. All right? I just want to share this with you. Look, so this is one challenge. This is one. There's other challenges that I'm going to share later, some other time. But again, look, if you like the information that I share, look, follow me on Facebook at Why Cry Over Money or Dwayne Crawford, or follow me on Instagram at Why Cry Over Money, or even find my YouTube channel, all right? Why Cry Over Money? Because guess what I understand? Why cry over it? Because it ain't going to cry over you. But if you understand money, or you understand finances, then you can start having your money work for you so that you don't always have to work for the money. Listen, y'all have a blessed day, and thank you for watching the video. Peace.